Namaste. My name is Anuraag and I'm the Director of Culinary at JW Marriott Aerocity. Today I am presenting a ricotta and kale ravioli stuffed in a rye dough. So let's get cooking. So I've got the ravioli ready, which is stuffed with kale, and they are about to go into the blancher. So the raviolis will cook in the blancher for 3 to 4 minutes till the time the outer skin gets soft. So the ravioli is ready. So I'll start with the butter sauce. For the butter sauce, I need some unsalted butter. We'll be adding a little bit of stock in which the pasta was blanched, some vegetable stock which adds a great flavor to the dish. Here I've got some fresh basil from the JW garden. And I would be transferring the blanched raviolis to this pan. A little bit of fresh crushed pepper. I'll be adding a little more extra truffle oil to the dish, which enhances the flavor. So I've got the cheese sauce, which is ready. The flavorful raviolis, which are cooked in butter sauce with some fresh basil. I've got some Parmesan crisp, some microgreens again from the JW garden, and some edible flowers. Finishing the dish with a little bit of fresh extra virgin olive oil. And here you go. The most exquisite, lip-smacking dish from K3 New Delhi Food Theatre is ready. Ricotta and kale ravioli.